I'm Hila Alora with our guest for this morning, Miss Rowena Matti of Galileo Enrichment Learning Program. Okay, Rowena, you were telling me before the start of the show that there's this new method when it comes to math called the Singapore math. Ano naman yan?
This is the latest trend now. A lot of, there's a survey that they call TIMS. It's Trends in International Mathematics and Science Study. So it's a test given to countries that would like to join it.
Ah, okay.
So sometimes 60 countries join it. Sometimes
60?
Oo.
Marami na?
Marami,
Okay.
oo.
Mm-hmm.
And we joined it once.
Mhm.
No? So when we joined it in 2003, for grade school, out of 25 countries, number 23 tayo.
Out of
Yung grade
25,
four.
number 23 tayo.
Then
So, second from the bottom.
yeah. And then sa high school,
Terrible.
34th out of 38. So,
Wow.
so really bad.
Oo.
So, when they had it again in 2000, they have it every 4 years. So,
Oo.
hindi muna tayo sumali. 2008, the Philippines decided to join. But we joined yung advanced mathematics.
Ano yun? You joined as an individual or
As a
your
country.
school? As a country.
Yes.
So, you coordinate this thing with DepEd?
Oo.
Okay.
And then, in 2008, out of advanced math, so ibig sabihin yan, students from the Philippine Science Schools.
Oo.
Out of 10 countries, number 10 tayo.
Diyos ko, nakakaiyak naman yung
Oo,
sinasabi mo
oo.
sa akin, Rowie.
That's why the educators are really trying to do everything.
Oo.
Pero they're really working on it naman.
Mm.
I mean, I know because I attend naman seminars and I get to talk to them.
Mm.
Everyone is really trying to do something about it.
Mm.
The latest now is Singapore math.
Mm.
Even the United States, a lot of places in the States now have Singapore math.
Mhm.
They even have conferences, Singapore math
Really?
conference. Because since they discovered nga that Singapore has been topping this test, this survey,
Mm.
the educators are really looking at how they do it. It's
Mhm.
really just called Singapore math because it's how the Singaporeans teach their math
Mhm.
as mandated by the government.
Mhm.
So the curriculum, the materials they use,
Mhm.
that's what they call Singapore math.
Okay.
So in the Philippines, Ateneo started using it 6 years ago.
Mhm.
Ika and Xavier followed after that. This year, Miriam College and Assumption, San Lorenzo,
Mhm.
will be teaching it from grade 1. A lot of other schools are adopting
Mhm.
the Human Preparatory.
What you're telling me are the private schools.
Yes.
Rowena. What about those in the public schools?
It would be good if they were able to get it. Kaya lang ang problema ngayon, the books that are being used are expensive because it comes from Singapore.
Really? Like how
Yeah.
much?
If I
Ano ba to? Since you teach kids from 3 years of age up to 12, no? Grade 3 years old ba? May mga math na yun? Simple
Oo.
math.
Yes, oo.
Even the Singapore math is applied in
Yes.
teaching these kids?
Oo. Because the idea
Talaga?
is, ang maganda sa Singapore math
Oh.
is CPA, concrete, pictorial, and abstract.
Mm.
Kasi before, the usual way that we learn math is, you start first with counting, di ba?
Oo.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hindi mo naintindihan ng bata kung anong 1, kung
Mm.
anong 2, anong 3, di ba?
Mm.
For them to understand it, you should give them an object and tell them, this is 1,
Mm.
this is 1 apple.
One ball.
Oo, this is 1 ball.
Mm.
So that's how they do it in Singapore math. They start with concrete objects.
Okay.
And that's how they do it pataas.
Mm-mm.
Even the topics per level are less
Mhm.
so that they can master it first before going on to the higher levels.
Mm.
What the topics are taught, kaya lang compared to how we teach it here in the Philippines, na ang dami-daming topics.
Sa atin, you just memorize,
Oo,
no?
you
Yung
just-
sa
oo.
likod ng notebook, 1 times 1
Oo.
equals 1,
Oo.
1 times 2 equals 2.
Oo. Eh pag memorize mo, mahirap maintindihan.
Oo, hindi rin na ano ng bata eh.
Oo. So ito, they make sure that they understand the concept
Oo.
before going on to higher math. So sometimes,
Mm,
problem
okay.
solving na palang ginagawa nila.
Oo.
Hindi pa nila alam. Kasi nga, broken down into pieces yung tinuturo sa kanila.
I remember when I was young, I think I was in grade 4. That was the time we had long division. Talaga, umiiyak na ako, hindi ko pa siya mag-gets.
Tsaka di ba yung mga carry?
Oh, yung mga
Bakit
carry,
mo
carry.
ilalagay yung carry dun sa
Oo.
taas, di ba?
Mm.
So ito, they really understand through objects, through materials, napapakita sa bata, why do you have to carry?
Oo.
What happens when you add?
Oo.
They even have a parang balance beam
Oo.
na kino-compare yung numbers. 1 is this heavy. If you put 2 here, mas heavy yun.
Okay.
Kung 2 yung nandito, that's 2 ones.
Mm.
So they really see it.
Mm.
So they really understand it before you go to the abstract of numerals nga.
Kaya nga eh.
Yeah.
Eh, kaso ang nangyayari minsan, basta pinababayaan lang bata, okay, you memorize this.
Memorize, yes.
Oh, and then after that, wala na.
At saka
Then
pag
quiz.
memorize, madali makalimutan.
Oo.
If you understand it, you'll never forget.
We'll talk more about this Singapore map, no? After this song coming from the Letterman, Love Me With All Your Heart.